Welcome to our new English lesson from Deep Dictionary. Today, we'll explore 5 verb phrase metaphors, each with its unique origin and meaning. Try adding them to your daily conversation and sound more like a native speaker. Let's start with jump the gun. Jumping over a gun? That sounds strange. You might think, but actually, this phrase originates from track and field races, where athletes wait for the starting gun before racing. If you start before the gun, you break the rules, and it's called jumping the gun. In real life, jumping the gun can mean starting something too early, often before the appropriate time or before receiving permission. For instance, she jumped the gun by announcing the news before it was confirmed. Next up, break the ice. This phrase originally means breaking frozen water to allow the ship to navigate through the ice surface of the ocean. Socially, it means starting a conversation in a way that eases tension, awkwardness, or unfamiliarity in a situation. For example, his joke helped break the ice at the meeting. Now, step on one's toes. It shouldn't be hard to see where this phrase comes from. Metaphorically, it refers to unintentionally offending someone by intruding upon their boundaries. This is commonly used at the workplace. For instance, you can say, "I hope I didn't step on her toes when discussing the project." Next, we have bite the bullet. A bullet is dangerous, and why would anyone want to bite it? Actually, this phrase originates from soldiers in the military who are injured and need to go through painful surgeries. They bite on bullets as a means to help them endure the pains. It symbolizes facing hardship with courage. An example usage could be, she had to bite the bullet and confront her fear. Lastly, throw in the towel. This phrase stems from boxing, where the coach of a boxer can throw a towel into the ring to signal conceding defeat. As a result, the match will be stopped. In real life, throwing in the towel can describe giving up or surrendering in the face of a challenging situation. For instance, after numerous attempts, she finally threw in the towel. And there you have it, 5 verb phrase metaphors that you can use in daily conversations to add depth to your English. If you want to expand your English vocabulary using help of pictures like we did in this video, explore our app, Deep Dictionary. It offers comprehensive word definitions paired with images, YouTube videos, Wikipedia, and more. Now available on App Store. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in next video.